So hi, in this video I will be trying to restore 5 Microsoft mices, I think mices, to its former glory. I actually got them from a friend and I will be keeping one for myself and the other ones I will be giving away. Before I start, if you like this video, consider subscribing, consider liking, and everybody else that liked my previous video, thank you very much. So yeah, cheers. So let's start. Let me show you what we're working with. Again, as you can see, this one actually looks quite nice, but these ones, yeah. So I'll need to disassemble them and clean them and then put them in the hydrogen peroxide. So yeah, let's disassemble them. By the way, this one is a PS2. This one actually even has like a ball. I think I actually have one like this one, only brand new. But this one, not really, no. So let's disassemble them. And yeah, they are quite dirty. So let me put on my gloves. So sorry about the noise, but as per usual I have a server which is, well, which is online, I guess. Okay. First of all, let's use the wipes and try to clean this thing. Because it seems that this thing has never been cleaned. I'll glue this thing later on. You can see it. Sorry, that's my dog. Stella! But as you can see, this thing is already looking better. However, it's yellow, so yeah. Yeah, this thing is dirty. So let's clean this one as well. And as you can see, this is already better, so kind of cool. But I think that this thing will be awesome when I finish with this thing. And there's like a joke that says the day that Microsoft makes something that doesn't suck is the day they start making vacuum cleaners. So yeah. But their hardware, at least this old hardware, was actually awesome. So I don't know whether you can see it or not, but oh boy. So, yeah. And the last mouse. So this one actually already looks quite nice. But you know what? All of them will be going to the cleaning and retrobrighting, and we'll see what will happen, right? Let me show you the way they look now, and hopefully the way they look afterwards. Yeah, okay. And basically, since all of these are the same, I think that this one, yeah, okay, one. Is there one underneath this thing? There might be, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, it's not. There is nothing underneath this one. So only one screw. Okay, smart. Some screws. Okay, so it has been removed. Now all of the other.
One eternity later.
So let me zoom in a bit. I can tell you right away, this thing is not easy to remove. Okay, these rear ones, fine, but pushing these two plastics, yeah, the first one broke, and the problem is that it's kind of the plastic is old and it's not very happy that I'm pushing it, if you know what I mean. Okay, can I remove it? No. So basically, not great. This. Okay. As you can see, I've exerted a lot of force in here, so yeah, not great. And I wanted to show you one more thing. This is the old mouse. Basically, you unscrew it and there are no latches, there is nothing. Yeah. This is done brilliantly, seriously. I think that all you need to do is maybe, yeah, pull this thing upwards and that's it. The beauty of design before they started to, well, save money and whatnot. So, well, first of all, let's clean this thing a bit with the detergent and brush. But as you can see, even the ball is already better. And this thing. So let me go and rinse all of this thing and let's put it into the hydrogen peroxide. So I can tell you one thing, this thing is heavy. Let's do this thing professionally. Done. Let me just put a bit more. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. And now all I have to do is actually place the LED reflectors on top of this thing and I guess see you in a couple of hours. Perfect. And one is on and the other one is on as well. And yeah, this is the way it looks. So, about 7 hours have passed and let's see whether this thing got any better. Well, I can tell you right away, okay, two things. One, this thing does look better, and two, it's hot. Okay. This thing does look better, but it's not the greatest, you know? And the problem with this thing is that this thing actually floats, so this kind of sucks. Okay. And this side plastics actually look better, but this one was not, as you can see, this one was not submerged enough. Again, this side was, this side wasn't. So I need to find a way to submerge this thing and to stop this thing from floating. So in theory, I could use this thing to submerge. Now all I need to see is whether the lights will fit in here. But I think that they will. So this thing is actually, oh my god, this is even way better. So I will submerge everything entirely and I will leave it for a couple of more hours, I guess. Well, couple being like 10 more hours. Okay, so the lights are on and see you in a couple of hours. So take two, and it's actually it's like another 8 hours have passed. So let's see how good these mice actually look. Okay, I can tell you right away, this thing actually looks very nice. Does it look brand new? But it looks nice. Okay. Yeah. I mean, take a look at the results. This one is, I think, dirty, but this thing probably can be cleaned. And this one looks the best, but this one was actually originally quite white. Now I need to rinse all of this and see you soon, I guess. But hey, take a look at the ball. It looks brand new. Let's assemble this one. I need one of these. Okay, 2 screws. This thing goes inside, and yeah, this thing is actually perfect. I mean, take a look at this mouse. Doesn't it look beautiful? And 2 more screws. And the kind of awesome thing is that all of the screws are of the same size. So Microsoft thought about something. So yeah, I'll assemble the rest, and yeah, kind of cool.
One eternity later.
Don't they all look beautiful? And this one is actually the brightest, and because it is the newest, but all of these, this thing is awesome. So you know what? Let's test it. Okay, this computer is actually forever booting, so. And yeah, it kind of fell out of the car because the girl that owned it had like an accident, so the laptop is broken everywhere. Okay, but the mouse is actually lit up, so that's kind of nice. And as you can see, I think it's actually working. Yeah, kind of cool, you know. So yeah, perfect. So yeah, I think that this restoration is overall done. Well, until the next video. If you like this video, please click thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or have like requirements on, you know, wanting me to restore something, please let me know. But I think that this actually is looking quite nice. Until the next time. Cheers. Also like, share, subscribe. Bye.